take a look at this area. As you can see, there are 4 main stations. When this area is shown in the form of a map or a plan, this is how it looks. The 4 main stations are marked with the letters A, B, C and D. Note that the point N on the map is not a main station, but the magnetic north of the area. We know the bearings from the magnetic north to every survey line within the area, as we have already calculated them with the help of the compass. So now, let us start computing the angles based on the measurement of the bearings. To begin with, let us find out angle AOB. We can say that angle AOB is equal to the difference between bearing OB and bearing OA. Note that these bearings are in fact the arms of the angle AOB. From the diagram, we can see that bearing OB is equal to 132 degrees, 30 minutes, and that bearing OA is equal to 50 degrees, 30 minutes. Therefore, we can say that angle AOB is equal to 82 degrees, 30 minutes. Similarly, if we have to find out angle BOC, we can say that it is equal to the difference between bearing OC and bearing OB. From the diagram, we can see that bearing OC is equal to 232 degrees, 30 minutes, and that bearing OB is equal to 132 degrees, 30 minutes. Therefore, we can say that angle BOC is equal to 100 degrees. Similarly, we can say that angle COD, which is the difference between bearing OD and bearing OC, is equal to 87 degrees, 30 minutes. But angle DOA has to be calculated in a different manner, because it is in a different quadrant after the whole circle bearing. So to calculate angle DOA, you have to use the formula. Angle DOA is equal to 360 degrees minus bearing OD plus bearing OA. So angle DOA is equal to 360 degrees minus 320 degrees, 30 minutes plus 50 degrees, 30 minutes, which is equal to 90 degrees. To check whether the angles calculated from the bearings are correct, you must add them up and see whether they add up to 360. So let us add angle AOB, angle BOC, angle COD and angle DOA. This is equal to 82 degrees, 30 minutes plus 100 degrees plus 87 degrees, 30 minutes plus 90 degrees. As this sum is equal to 360 degrees, we can say that the angles computed from the bearings are all correct. So remember, this is the procedure for computation of angles from bearings.